It's actually a very good idea to come to the factory and to have this tour.
Everything looked really top-notch. Machinery, the discipline over there, the quality control, everything was quite impressive.
Everything is precise, very high attention to details. Quality control also very good, and the products are really nice.
We had a tour in the factory, a lot of CNC machines, anything metal and or plastic, molding plastic we saw in the factory. They have a great and very clean rooms for sterilization and for packing. We enjoyed the tour.
What I saw here was magnificent. It's top of art for everything they do, even the factory, even everything about Auxein is great. I'm looking forward to work with them, use their implants to help my patients, to help everyone with the help of Auxein.